punishment.
So, you dug up the dead chipmunk, and you tied a string to it, and now you're chasing around the yard with the cat.
Uh-huh.
Show me how you play.
Come on, Rex. Come on. Oops. I'm not Rex. Come on, Rex. Come on, Rex. Now this is fun.
It's fun?
It's even fun for Max.
It's even fun for Max? You are disturbing on so many levels, honey. Oh boy. Alright.
I just need to try it out.
He's tired out.